All right, y'all. James backwards. And I'm back. Back again with another fix. Little unboxing of this. As you can see, the this key right here, my wife's key, is messed up. So she has a hair tie around it to keep it together. Went ahead and ordered a slang bang dang. In English, that is another shell for her key fob. And so, if you have a loved one who has a key fob that they're holding it together with some pieces, you can go ahead and order it. I'll put the link in the description. As you can see here, I just opened this up. There's the buttons. There's the actual shell. We're gonna go ahead and take this apart. So first things first, let's take this off of here. It should have nails. I don't. So that you can separate this doohickey. There we go. All right, twisting it off. Drop it in the comments if you guys like these type of videos. Just showing you how to do the little simple things. I'll take that hair tie off. Oh, there is no screw in there. I thought it was a screw in there. Okay. Make sure I don't lose this screw that's in here. You know what? Before I do that, let me go to here and just separate this piece. Let me put these keys off to the side. Yes, she likes Karamo. Is that how you say it, Karamo? Somebody put down in the comments if I'm saying it wrong. Go ahead and take this apart. This is the I forgot what they call this. This is the it's not the key, is it? I'm not sure of the technical term, but you got to keep that for inserting into the ignition. This is the shell. The shell is not coming apart. I don't want to, well, it doesn't matter if I break it apart because, oh, there you go. All right, so here is the part that goes into the other shell. Now this is going to be a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. So you use this part, and then inside, so if you didn't have this part, they give you another part like that. Like if it's not working or something, I'm gonna keep this for another one. I think I need this for another key, her other key, but you just open up the shell. As you've seen in my other video, excuse me. I don't normally necessarily follow the directions, but I think in this one I will. Okay, how to install. So it says to put this part onto, or through this part, I guess. You should put it through this part. Like so. Or do you take that part off? Yeah, you take that part off. Okay. Or does this part even come off? No. Oh, let me see. Oh, it does. Okay, so you take that part off. This is the cut part of the key. Put this in this. Oh, nope, wrong way. Put this in this away. That fits right in. Perfect. And then it just has pictures, guys. Doesn't have instructions. Oh, this does. Remove the key, exiting. Oh, key blade. That's what it's called. That's the technical term. Key blade, and then place inside the new shell, which is here. Okay. It's inside the new shell. Like so. Nope. Like so. How do you do this? Okay, let's use some. Oh, there we go. And then put this and the buttons in here like this. Uh-oh, looks like it's coming together, y'all. Everybody clap it up. And then, like this maybe? No. Wait. That goes upside down like that? No, something's wrong. Hold on. Oh, yes, it does. Okay. Put in there like so. Up, snaps right in, guys. And you flip it over. Find the screw that I kept in this little baggie so I wouldn't lose it. And thank you to this Amazon store that provided a little screwdriver. Little Phillips head screwdriver. It's pretty cool. All right, now we got to find the screw that goes in here. Like so. This is magnetic. It must be magnetic, guys. And then you screw it down. Like so. I screw it all the way down. Nope. Let's see. You gotta keep screwing, I guess, until it goes all the way down. Screw it real nice and tight. You don't want it to come loose. I would do the test for you guys on, to make sure it still works, but it's dark outside. You're not gonna be able to see nothing. So there you go. It's back together again. Let me see if I get this on camera. There it is. Okay, it's back together again. And this is the old shell that's missing a screw. And this is the new one. Thank you. Drop a comment in the comment section. Like the video, share the video to some friends that might need this. Really simple, quick video, but we're done. Chase backwards, and I'm out.